Talo falava everyone! Today, Afagasi Pepe and I are going to be teaching you about different fruits in Samoan. And you can also learn to practice your colors. So who's ready for the challenge of learning colors and fruits in Samoan? You are? Are you ready? Okay, let's go everyone! Oh, and before we begin, the word for fruit in Samoan is fuala au aina. Fuala au aina. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Olea. Oleesi. This is a pawpaw or papaya. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole fa'i. When a fa'i is ripe, we say it is a fa'i pula in Samoan. It's a ripe banana. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole mango. This is a mango. Ualu pepe tafau. Baby has gone for a play on the ground. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole guava. This is a guava. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole sasalapa. This is a soursop. Ole fuala au aina lea pepe. Ole fala. This is a pineapple. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ta'u mai le ngon me lea. Ole moli. This is an orange. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole meleni. Ole meleni is a watermelon. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole niu malepopo. This is a coconut. One is a young coconut and one is a mature coconut. That's right, Pepe. The popo is the brown one and the green one is the young one. And oleale fuala au aina lea. Oleo'o. Oleo'o was actually one of my favorites when I was growing up. Oleo'o is referred to as a coconut apple. This is found inside a very mature coconut. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole basil. Ole basil is a passion fruit. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole vi. This one is very hard to find in New Zealand and Australia, and it has a very fancy name that I don't know exactly how to say. The Spondius dulcis. It sounds Latin or something. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole apple Samoa. This is a cashew apple. This is actually where the cashew nut comes from. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Olea. Leai. Actually, ole lychee. It's a lychee, but I don't know the actual Samoan name because there's a few different stories about the name of this one, so I've left it blank for you. Maybe you can ask Mum or Dad what this is called. Oleale fuala au aina lea. Ole koko. This is a koko Samoa. It's where the cocoa or the koko Samoa comes from. It's a cocoa plant. And I've left it here in the fruits because you can actually eat the stuff inside raw. Before you roast it, it used to be one of our favorite lollies. Yay! Now we have learned how to say some fruits in Samoan. Next, we're going to say the fruit and the color. Can you remember how to say this is a hesi? We would start by saying ole hesi. And color, the word for color is lanu. If you don't remember your colors, you can watch the color video. Okay, let's go. Remember, you're filling in the gaps. O oeo le a whaatumuina le wā. Ole, lanu, ole esi, lanu moli. This is an orange pawpaw, or this is an orange papaya. Ole, lanu, ole fa'i, lanu sama-sama. This banana is yellow. Ole, lanu, ole mango, lanu mea mata. It's a green mango. Alright, Peppa's turn. Ole, guava, lanu, biniki. The guava is pink. Ole, lanu, ole sasalapa, lanu pae-pae. This is a white salsa. This one has two colors. Ole, lanu, ma, ole fala, lanu mea mata, masama-sama. Again, we're looking for two colors. Ole, lanu, ma. Where are the arrows pointing? Ole moli, lanu moli, ma pae-pae. Ole, lanu, ma. Ole beleni, lanu biniki, ma uliuli. Ole, lanu, ma. Ole niu, lanu pae-pae, ma mea mata. Now, what is the mature coconut called again? Ole, lanu, ma. Ole popo, lanu pae-pae, ma ena-ena. Ole, lanu, ole o'o, lanu sama-sama. Ole, lanu, ole pasio, lanu viole. Ole, lanu, ole vi, lanu mea mata. There are two different types here, so I am not going to say ole. I am going to say o, lanu, malanu, o apu Samoa lanu mumu, malanu mea mata. Yay! I hope you have learned some new words and new colors in Samoan.